Hello po, another sharing of my Teddy Lulu. So last time it was my daughter who made the sharing of her Teddy Lulu. So it's my turn naman. So I want this color even I'm not really a color of the I'm not really a fan of this color, pero gusto ko siya kasi cute. So share ko sa inyo anong nagets ko sa. So ito yung mga Teddy Lulus. Okay, this is from Auntie Suping. Thank you, Auntie Suping, for this one. Kasi I've been aiming for this color talaga. So, tararararan! This is my new Teddy Lulu, guys. If you wanna put heart charms, super soft siya. Super soft talaga siya. Siya si Courageous Teddy. So, I got the Courageous Teddy. Small lang siya, guys. Look, oh. Sakto lang sa bag at saka soft talaga. Promise. Walang biro. So, thank you, Auntie Spring Stylish Shop. Follow her on Facebook page. And if you wanna avail one, go get one. Bye!